The sound of sweet music. That's that potato that you can only get from a shovel head. And don't get down in my comments or send me DMs telling me it's hard on the lower end or yeah, it's bad for oil pressure. Shovel heads don't have oil pressure, they have oil flow. And even though I don't like them, you can clearly tell I'm running about 10 pounds right there just at that oil. All you need is oil flow on these things. Might have a little tuning left to do to her, but I put that Super B back on it. That's where you get that classic sound from. Let's see if I can not ruin a good video here. See if she'll treat me right. Come on. Better if she would have popped back off on one kick, but of course I'm filming, she wouldn't do that. But anyway, I about got it tuned like I want it, folks. Stay tuned.